This is a sweet strawberry charm. When you open the strawberry and pull out the mesh part, it turns into a practical cup holder. You can also use it to hold glasses, earphones, and other small items. Let's crochet it together step by step. Use 4-ply yarn with a 2.5mm hook. We'll start by crocheting the strawberry part. Make 5 chain stitches. Yarn over, insert the hook into the third chain from the end. Pull up a loop and draw through all 3 loops. That makes a half double crochet. If you're a beginner, place a stitch marker in the first stitch. Next, work another half double crochet into the same stitch. That is an increase. Then work a half double crochet in the next stitch. Work an increase into the first chain stitch. When finished, chain 2, then turn your work, yarn over, and in the first half double crochet, make an increase. Then crochet 3 half double crochets. In the last stitch, make another increase. The pattern is simple, increase at both ends, and work 1 half double crochet in each stitch across the middle. For row 3, chain 2 and turn. Make increases at both ends and work half double crochets in the middle stitches. There should be 5 in total. Make an increase in the last stitch. Keep following this increase pattern until row 7. Now work row 8. Chain 2 and turn. Work 1 half double crochet in each stitch. Row 9 is the same as row 8. Complete both rows on your own. Next, for row 10, turn your work and make a half double crochet decrease. Yarn over, insert into 1 stitch, and pull up a loop. Yarn over again, insert into the next stitch, and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through all loops. That is a half double crochet decrease. Next, work half double crochets across. In the last 2 stitches, make another decrease. Chain 2 again and work row 11. Make 1 decrease at each end and work half double crochets in the middle. Next, we'll crochet a round of single crochet around the edge. We've made 11 rows in total. Work 2 single crochets along the side of each row. Start with chain 1 and insert into the side. Make 2 single crochets. Beginners can place a marker in the first single crochet here. Then for row 2, make 2 single crochets here as well. Then make 2 single crochets along row 3. Continue for all 11 rows. You should have 22 single crochets on this side. Work 3 single crochets across the bottom. Then continue with 22 single crochets along the other side. At the end, 13 stitches remain here. Work 1 stitch into each of them. Slip stitch into the marked stitch. Following this pattern, we need to make 2 pieces. Fasten off 1 piece and continue crocheting with the other. Chain 2 and work into the inner loop only. The loop closest to this side. Crochet 1 round of double crochet. There should be 60 double crochets in total. Yarn over and insert the hook, pull up a loop and finish 2 loops at a time. That's how to make a double crochet. After finishing this inner loop round, work 2 more rows without increasing or decreasing. After the 3 rows of double crochet are done, count out 12 stitches in the middle. Do the same for the other piece. Mark 12 stitches, sew the seams onto it, then turn it over. Turn the other piece over as well. Leave the middle section open and join the rest together with single crochet. This is the marked stitch. This is the next stitch. Bring the yarn over like this. Chain 1, pick up the loop of this stitch. Then pick up the loop on the other side and work a single crochet. Use the loops closest to you and do the same on this side. Keep crocheting like this until you reach the marked stitch. That completes the round. Next, we'll continue on the back. Work 12 single crochets evenly across these 12 stitches. Just insert the hook directly like this and make single crochets. Crochet until you reach this side. After finishing the stitch with the marker, find the first single crochet and slip stitch into it. Next, we'll start crocheting the mesh part of the back body. Chain 1. Make 1 single crochet, then chain 7. Skip 3 stitches, then make a single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 7. Skip 3 stitches again, make a single crochet, then chain 7. Repeat this pattern all the way around. When you reach this opening, just crochet around the edge like this. Then insert the hook into the third stitch here, make a single crochet and chain 7. Continue normally on this side. When finished, slip stitch into this single crochet. From now on, we'll work into the 4th chain stitch of each chain loop. That completes the first round. Next, slip stitch across 4 chain stitches. Then chain 7. Make a single crochet into the 4th chain stitch. Chain 7. Continue to the next chain loop. Make a single crochet into the 4th chain stitch. Repeat this pattern all the way around. Find the first slip stitch and slip stitch into it. Then chain 4. Make 7 chain stitches. Now start row 3. Single crochet, then chain 1. Just keep following this pattern until it reaches the height you want. Once it's tall enough, we'll finish the edge. First, slip stitch twice. Chain 1, then make 2 single crochets into this opening first. Then make 5 single crochets into the next opening. After that, in each opening, make 5 single crochets. We made 2 single crochets in this opening. After completing this round, just add 3 more single crochets here. Change yarn, insert the hook into the first stitch of the previous round, pull up the yarn and chain 1. Work 1 round of single crochet. There should be 75 single crochets in total. After this round of single crochet, we'll make the handles. First, crochet 11 single crochets. Then chain 35. Skip 15 stitches. And insert the hook into the next stitch. Continue with 23 single crochets. Then chain another 35, skip 15 stitches again, and finish the remaining 11 single crochets. That completes this round. Next, we'll crochet the final round. It's another round of single crochet. Just work 1 stitch into each stitch. One thing to note, when you reach the chain stitches, insert the hook into just 1 loop of each chain stitch, then make single crochets. Once you finish, the main body is done. How do we fold it up? First, turn it to the right side like this. Then shape it into a ring and pull it through this opening. After turning it through, it should look like this. Next, we'll crochet the leaf. Start with 14 chain stitches, then insert the hook into the 7th chain from the end. Make 1 single crochet, then chain 6. Insert into the next stitch. Make 1 single crochet, then chain 6. Keep going until you reach the first chain stitch. Once finished, it should look like this. Next, insert the hook into the side here. Make 4 single crochets. Then chain 7. In the same stitch, insert through both loops and slip stitch. Then continue with 4 more single crochets. Now the leaf is finished. After attaching the leaf, start crocheting the hanging strap on the back. Use the center point here. Pull up the yarn and chain 45. When finished, slip stitch once more into the same stitch. Thank you for watching and supporting me.